sprinkles and sunshine. If all goes well, this flavor fairy in training might earn another badge toward her wings. My latest training quest sent me to the Petunia Piranhas of Pickleberry Place. They guarded their strawberry patches tighter than a squirrel guarding a cookie factory. And my first challenge was turning those strawberries into berry fairy dust. Grind them nice and fine, sunshine. If there are big chunks left behind, they can make the sponge uneven. The instructors say a proper flavor fairy notices every tiny detail. So now we're whisking everything together to spread that strawberry flavor evenly through the cake. This lesson is called cloud fluffing. You want everything light and airy, like a goose wearing helium underpants. Any seconds now. This is thrilling. Patience is part of villainy. Now comes the great. Every trainee has to learn how to trap air inside a batter. The more air we build, the softer our sponge will be. Ooh, look at those ribbons. Last year, my ribbons looked more like confused spaghetti. No, Poopy! Drama is part of villainy. This is just produce-based waiting. And whatever that is. Now fold gently, sunshine. When I first started training, I folded batter like I was wrestling an octopus. Turns out cakes prefer kindness. Next, I crossed the river of richness. It was smoother than a buttered water slide and twice as slippery. Now we enter the plains of evenness. A level batter makes a level cake. And a level cake keeps the Swiss roll goblins from filing complaints. Into the oven of destiny. Don't overbake it, sunshine. Come to me! You magical bucketheads! Come to me! Come to me! Maybe they're avoiding you on purpose. Brushing your teeth might help. We roll the cake while it's warm so it learns its little swirly destiny. My first training roll cracked so badly the instructors called it abstract pastry. We still ate it. While the cake cools, we prepare the mousseline of wisdom. Keep whisking so everything stays smooth and moving. Pastry cream likes attention. Ignore it and it'll clump up like a scared possum in pudding. Impossible! You've been standing out here for an hour holding fruit at the sky like a desperate pageant queen. It's called baiting magical prey. Looks more like emotional support produce. Now we whip the butter until it's light and fluffy, soft as a marshmallow cloud taking a nap on top top of another marshmallow cloud. And now we combine them into the mousseline. If it looks a little funny at first, don't panic. Most mousselines just need a little encouragement. At the top of Spiral Mountain, I reached the crossroads of flavor, the emerald path. And we're giving those pistachios plenty of confidence. A little salt and almond help the pistachios speak up instead of whispering in the corner. Whoa. Why is it getting bigger? Bad breath will do it. The berry path, more berry flurry dust, and another boost of strawberry flavor. To earn my balance badge, I must walk both paths at once. Pistachio, strawberry, pistachio, strawberry, pistachio, strawberry. Like crossing a candy-striped tightrope over a pudding volcano. And when both paths finally meet, they become one beautiful swirl. The Emerald River flowing straight through Sprinkleberry Canyon. Sarah Shucks! Jum Jum got it. Honestly, best thing that's happened all day. That was a good one. And now for my fancy presentation badge. My mama always said people eat with their eyeballs first, which explains why eyeballs are terrible dinner guests. Well, sunshine, I haven't earned my wings yet, but I think this strawberry pistachio swirl spectacular gets me one step closer. And if not, at least I get cake.